Raj to take over the session. Over to you, sir.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am. Good afternoon, mother. Good afternoon, reverend sisters. Good afternoon, dear participants. For today's session, for the afternoon session, I'll be starting. I'll be showing how to create a website using create a free website using sites.google.com, and I'll be showing you how you can have interaction with your students, live interaction with your students using Mentimeter. I hope you would have seen Mentimeter and be used it. And for those who don't know, you can use Mentimeter, and then we'll go on for some interactive session regarding the topics which were discussed all these 3 days. So let me start with presenting men. Is my screen visible, ma'am?
Yes, screen is.
Okay, what I want you to do is please go to www.menti.com, www.menti.com, and type in these numbers 22, 29, and 19. Participants, please go to menti.com and type in these numbers. Two people have joined. He has joined. I wish like at least 20 of us can join. Okay, there is still only 4 people have joined.
So, please repeat the code.
Yes, ma'am, it's on the screen, www.menti.com, and the number is 22, 29, and 19. It is the screen, 22, 29, 19. Please look at your screen. Please answer. You have 10 seconds. Please answer. How many of you have answered? Yeah, very good. See, 13 of you have answered the Camtasia as a video editor. 12, 1% Google Classroom and Edmodo. Of course, we can incorporate video editors into Google Classroom and Edmodo, but as of now, we don't have any video editors in that. And we'll move on to the next question. Next thing is not a question actually, but it is like we'll find out like how are you today? You can answer. Good, good. People are great. Very good, very good. Yeah, you're good. Yes, very good. See, as you can see now, it is being done live. 19 people of you have answered. Very good. People are great. It's nice to know that everybody are feeling okay. Very good. And so, yeah, thank you. Good. We'll go on for one more question. And this is a different type of question. What would you prefer? Teaching with technology is best, traditional teaching, or blended teaching? Blended teaching being a mixture of traditional teaching and teaching with technology. You can start answering. Oh, good. Teaching technology. Okay. Blended teaching. Many have chosen blended teaching. Good, good, good. Good. So as you can see from the screen, most of you prefer blended teaching and teaching with technology. Very good. So this is how you can have an interactive session with your students. You have mentimeter.com. Menti is for and mentimeter.com. Do you want me to show you how to create this presentation? Let's stop
Yes, sir.
sharing.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So what we're going to do now is we're going to mentimeter.com. Here you can create interactive presentations, and this one is the basic version is free for educators, but you have to pay like $6 a month if you want to have the rest of the features. I'll help you create a new free account. See, I'm already logged in. Let me log out. Mahal located. Agra, very good. Next question. Correct answers your next one. This dash a new mouse. Is many of you wrote is the correct answer. Very good. So next question. Which one can hold water? Bottle, paper, electronics. Bottle. So this is what we saw here is a quiz portion. You have 3 questions of quizzes, and the next 2 questions are more like opinion from people. That is not timed at all. You have different you have leaderboards like who has high points and everything. It can be it is shown here. Who has won? If you want to have a competition, this can be done. So this is a word cloud. What comes into mind when I say Earth? As people keep feeding in information, it will be visible right here. When people start typing in the words, it will be visible right here. It's a place to survive. God, it's a place to survive. So 6 of them have written. As more people enter the word, so nature, sphere. It's a place to survive. Yes. So many of you have written nature. This is why nature is showing as is has a big font. If many people keep typing nature, it keeps growing bigger and bigger. If you have different options, different options keep growing as well. So this is how you have a word cloud. You want to get any opinion from the students regarding any statement, you can use this word cloud also. So we'll move on to the next question. Thank you for your participation. Thank you. We'll move to the next question. Yeah. So which one is the best fruit among all these things? Here you can ask your participants, your students, the learners to vote for which one is best. So one person has said apples, oranges, grapes. Grapes is taking the lead. We wait for 15 minutes and then we go. Apples. You can start a countdown. You can start a 10-second countdown, and voting closes like 10 seconds. 5. And then you can stop your voting. Voting is closed. So 11 people have voted, and 11 people have, out of them, 11 people, apples is said to be the best fruit. You can ask questions like this, and it will be very helpful for you when you're having your live classrooms. For now, we'll exit this. Anybody can create an account here, and if you want to upgrade this into, for example, if you want to upgrade this into much more better account, you'll have an option. For me, it's not showing right now, but I'll show you. Yeah, this upgrade option. Upgrade option, you have all your pricing information here. But for education pricing, you have a discount, an educational discount. If you're interested, you can pay like $6 a month. $6 a month will come up to 500 rupees a month. If you pay it annually, you get a discount as well. So that is with Mentimeter. Do you have any doubts regarding Mentimeter? Yes, ma'am.
Sir, do we enter with our own names, sir? We have some nicknames there.
Yes,
When we
ma'am. If you have if you have a subscription model, you can enter with your own names or your team members.
Because when we enter, we got some names like Tiger
Yes,
and
yes, ma'am.
so on.
Yes, ma'am. You
How
can enter.
come?
When you have a subscription model, or when you're having from a single account, you can enter with your own names.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Hello, sir.
Hello, ma'am.
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good
Sir,
afternoon.
where to get the code, sir?
Ma'am, the code will be present when you click on present. Ma'am, the code will be present when you click on present the screen, for example. You have to go to your presentations.
Yes, sir.
You have to click this presentation, whatever
Yes, sir.
presentation, and you have to click on present. This present.
Okay.
You will get the code immediately. You will get the code.
So automatically it is coming.
Automatically, you will get the code.
Okay, sir. Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay.
The number of questions we can ask.
Yes, ma'am. The free version has a limitation of questions, ma'am. The free version has a limitation of questions. I'll show you the limitation also. I've already created websites here. If you want to create one from some kind of template, you can do it right here. There are lots of templates available. For example, portfolio, many templates are available. Or you can create one from a blank also. And if you click on blank, you'll be given to a screen right here. And here you can add your page. Everything is drag and drop. Everything is very easy to use. It is drag and drop. The first thing what you have to do is you have to name. This site can be useful for It's useful for some kind of symposium or some kind of event that you're going to have. If you're going to have some event like an FDP or a webinar, you want to share information, lots of information, you want to share the images of the people who are going to present. All these things can be used here. Or if you're going to have a small contest for your children, for your students, then you can have these types of websites. And it is very easy to create. You can create a website in just a few hours. So for example, you can type in your page title, FDP on e-pedagogy. Here you will have different types of themes. Aristotle, diplomat, and these themes have different colors. You can choose different colors. You can choose different font styles you want. I'll go and so once you've done yourself, or you can choose images from your computer or from the internet. I'll choose this image. So accordingly, the image will be adjusted, and you can have different header types. You can have a large banner, you can have only a banner or title only. For example, only the title or large image or a large banner or some small banner. Here you can have different types of layouts. For example, if you want two images side by side, some images below that, you just have to drag and drop it. See, you have a header, you have an image here, image two here, and some text here. So, for example, I will click select image. I'll be using images which are in a Google Drive. I'll search for so I can easily add images. I can even add images from my desktop also. This. Oh. Then you can add some collapsible text also. Here, collapsible text. You can have different types of things. Many things can be. You can add a video, YouTube video here. Just click and search for some video. You can have the video here below. You can have a small divider also here. You can change it up the divider one. There are also options that you do. Then you create other pages also. For example, I'm going to create a new page. I'm going to use contact us here. So we'll insert some text. Your website, you can take a preview of your website before you can publish. So we click on preview here, click on home. So home is, you get a website like this, FDP on pedagogy. You have some kind of information here. This is information here, and this is a collapsed text. When you click this, the text will be expanded. Here you have some videos that you can be played, and here you have the links to contact us. Click on contact us. Contact information is, numbers can be given here. The map also can be given here. You can do whatever stuff you want here with this, but some selecting the different colors of the text is limited theme. So depending on different themes, you have the color of the text and the colors of the borders and the figures. And this is compatible with all type of devices. For example, if you have a tablet, it is visible like this on a tablet. If you have a mobile phone, it reduces according to the mobile phone. You have the links here. You can use it for various purposes. And since there are lots of options here, it is difficult for me to tell you all the options. That is why I thought I'll have a question answer session, and then if you have any questions or answers, queries, be able to answer them.
Can you?
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am.
So the question, sir, from Ms.
Yes.
Devi. How
Okay.
can we make animation images?
Animation images, you mean like GIF images, right?
Ma'am, Devi ma'am, you microphone and ask you, sir. Ma'am, can you hear me? Devi ma'am?
Sir, good afternoon, sir.
Good afternoon, ma'am. Good afternoon, ma'am.
Actually, when we look into the website, no,
This is-
then we blink like new, and can we
Yes.
put that also here?
Sister, I understand what you mean by that, but this website here is very limited. As you can see, there is no type of coding that is being done. All is done using just clicking what is already available, and you are using it here. But regarding that blinking and scrolling, you need to use HTML or CSS for it to work. Sister. But there is no way that you can insert any type of code into this website.
Oh, it could be like static website.
Yes.
Like the posters we can create and leave it like that.
Yes, sister.
Okay.
So this is a private website, no, sir. This is not for public use.
No, man, you can use it for public use also, man.
So if we put public means we may get copyright issues, no, sir, because we are putting other things, no, sir, on this website.
Ma'am, the
Copying
reason
and
why
pasting.
I use cartoon images is because it is safe for the audience.